welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Shein haul for you. And I'm choking. I have a Shein haul for you. I got these things in for my home. So this is like a home goods. Oh, sorry, now to try them. And as an aside, I went to the dermatologist today and I got a little freezy, pre-skin cancer, guys. I'm telling you, wear your sunblock. All right, let's get started. And yeah, it's the second time I recorded this video because I deleted it. I gotta stop doing that. So we're gonna start. I got some spring greenery. I'm dying. So I got this little vase. It's a Mikasa at Goodwill. And this, it's a pick. I have it folded up because it's a small vase. It's all together. And you get 3 of them in one package, but I only needed 1 for this little, like, tell me how beautiful that is. And that's how easy it was. Put it in, and it's so pretty for spring, and I love flowers. So on the same vibe as flowers, I grabbed 2 packages of the tulips. I love tulips. So, and they're nice. These are like rubber. They're not like paper. And this pack came with, I think, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Came with 10. They're all the same height. You can cut them down. And then I got a pink that only came with 3. I don't know why. It was me, not them. And what I've done with these is, we'll just throw these in here. And then I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, I think, or Joanne or something. Michael's. Michael's is where I got this. Little Easter bunny, spring, right? And then look. I'm just going to put that right in with the tulips in a mason jar. Like, how fun is that? I like tulips. So we got that. All right. So that was greenery, I think. Yes. And then for my kitchen, I've been picking things up. I got this. I'm so excited. I've already used it because I wanted to try it out. It is a electric coffee grinder. Now, there's no beans in here right now, so it shouldn't go for very long. But what you do is you can dial it to the size grind you want. So if you want super coarse for like a cold brew or espresso, super fine. And then what I did is you take the top off. I filled this with beans, like whole beans. Oops. Sorry. There we go. That locks on. And then you just hit the button and walk away. And it grinds your beans for you. And then you pop it off and they're all in here. And I tried it on setting number 5 to refill my Nespresso pods, and it was perfect. Highly, highly recommend. And it's rechargeable. It comes with a Type-C charger. Love it. For my vacation, I got one of these because I didn't want to bring my good one and lose it or break it or get bent or something. This was like cheap, and so I don't care. But look, works just fine. It's a frother, but I also use it if I'm doing protein powders or if I'm doing like drink mixes, like the Crystal Light, or I bring like electrolyte mixes. Yep, you just put it in there and let it do its thing, and it mixes up all the powdery stuff. Especially protein powder is a little hard to blend. So these are great. I'll just throw it in my suitcase and hope for the best. If it doesn't come back in one piece, well, that's unfortunate for me, but I'm not mad. So I got that. For my kitchen, now the stand did not come with it. I bought the stand separate from a different company, but oh my gosh. I've been wanting a little teacup set. It is ceramic. I mean, I'm not going to say porcelain because I don't know. There's no markings or anything on it. But look how pretty that is to drink an official little cup of tea. And it comes with its own little saucer. I haven't seen these out thrifting, but I'm afraid if I break it. And plus, I think I'm just going to put this on a shelf with my coffee stuff and have it be pretty. But it's great. If you are doing any type of crafting, I think this might even be cheaper than some of the ones I've seen at the thrift stores. Like if you're going to drill holes and put plants and all that fun stuff, definitely check this out for crafting purposes or candles. But thrifting for them is fun too. I just really liked that pattern. So I got that. Oh, also for my trip, while we're talking about my trip, I purchased, it is a selfie stick gimbal. And I've used this too, because I wanted to try it out. So it has a selfie light built in. You charge it up, it opens up, just tighten it up here. It's now just a selfie stick. But it has a remote that you pair to your phone. And then this, if you unlock it, it turns and makes sure you're in focus. Or if you're like you're in focus, it'll adjust so you're not wobbly-jawed. And it does the same thing if you're facing away from you. Like you'll have something that you're focusing on. The reason I liked this one, because I have a nice gimbal, but this one also telescopes. And the bottom opens. It's a little tight, which is good because you don't want it falling apart. But it becomes then a portable tripod. So if you're doing any kind of social media posting or whatever, or if you just want to watch TV on your phone, it's a nice little stand. And what I liked about it is that it folds up real small. So I grabbed that. For my desk, my craft desk, I think, is where this is going to live. Wait, we'll put it on this side. Hello, Kitty. It's a trash can. I know. Right? It's a trash can. And it's a little Hello Kitty trash can. And I just thought it was super cute. For my desk, I get a lot of papers and blah blahs. I can just toss in there when I'm doing little crafts. If I'm doing big crafts, I have a big trash can. But I loved it. And with this came trash bag. It's a little roll, but I wanted to open it and show you. You get a little roll of trash bag. Now, I don't know. These are not going to fit there, but these are also Hello Kitty. And they're just like a medium-sized trash can, which I like. And I think these will be good in my suitcase too for wet things. Like I might just bring a couple for dirty laundry, wet things that I want to keep separated on my trips. If I'm on a longer trip, use them in my car. Good quality. They also have a drawstring, which is nice. And you get 15 of these with the little trash can. I could also put that little trash can in my car. I have a trash can, though, in my car, so I did not do that. But I thought that was totes adorable. Then for my little cousin who is off to college, I grabbed her a really nice size laundry bag. And it says wash me on it. But it's nice and big, and she can just hang it, or not. If she doesn't want to use it, it's fine. But I thought she would enjoy it. It's really sturdy. If it was smaller, I would say it would be good for travel, but this is really big. Now, if you're on a super long trip and you think you're going to get all of your laundry dirty, go for it. But I think this is a little large for me, personally, for travel, but I think it would be great for a dorm room. So I grabbed her that. And then these hangers came in a 3-pack, and I got her these. And they hang in your closet, but you can hang accessories on here. Tank tops, belts, purses, bras, because she's going to have very limited storage space. So she can hang things off of here, and it takes this space instead of this much space. Or you can turn it this way, like turn the hook if you want to hang it off a door or a doorknob. But you can hang like your things in the bathroom, put your towels on here, and washcloths and loofah or whatever. Jewelry can also go on here, necklaces and all kinds of fun stuff. So I got her, actually I kept one, so I'm giving her 2 of these, which will be fine for a college dorm. And I think the last thing I got was for Addie, and it are these hangers. I if I can get this untangled. Please hold. Yeah, there we go. These hangers are for pants or skirts or even shorts if she doesn't have enough dresser space. And you would hang like go in your closet this way. You could do a pant, hang one this way, one on this side, one on this side, one on this side. And they only take up less, you know, it'll take up less space. And again, if she wants to bring these and try them, that's great. If it doesn't work, that's okay too. But I thought she would appreciate, which she will, a little storage for her closet. And for traveling, because she's going out of state, these don't take up a lot of room for her. So that is everything I got this time at Shein. Definitely check out the link in the description box below. It will take you to where all my items are being housed, and you can click the links, get some discounts, and pick up any of these items for yourself. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I will talk with you later.